Now the new iPhone has arrived. We're going to jump into the box, check out this new Pacific blue color, and see a couple comparisons. Let's get started. So, as we know, this year's model comes without the brick. Now, if you want to use a brick, I'll have a completely different video on which are the best bricks. But this time, we're gonna get the regular SIM tray tool, the lightning to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much it. And that's why the box is so skinny. Now here is that blue color. I think one of the best colors to date. It's not light blue, it's more of a dark blue color. And the back is the icy matte. We got the standard cameras, the LiDAR detector this time. Man, I miss my iPhone 4 and 5. I just love this feel of the phone. You could stand it upright. Just amazing iPhone design in general. And this time they overlaid the glass completely into the body, so the glass does not even stick out no more. And that's why I guess it's more durable from drops. Now this is my old gold iPhone. This is the 12 Pro, this is the 11 Pro Max. And the size has not changed, so the size is still smaller, but the screen got bigger. And so now it's a 6.1 inch display. And this is the 5G iPhone, so as you could see right here, there is a 5G antenna right over here. But that's it, guys. This was a quick video on the unboxing of the Pacific blue color. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what color is your favorite from this iPhone's 12's lineup this year. I think a lot of people will go with either this one or maybe the gold one. Now, if you want to know how to set up your new iPhone or how to previously go from your old iPhone to the new one and how to back up everything with iCloud, click the link down in the description or click the video at the end scene. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.